Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share the recipe of how to make a hotel Podi Idli at your home. So for the Podi Idli, what you need, first we have to prepare the Idli. So this is the Idli batter, homemade Idli batter, and here is the Idli maker, and I'm going to put this batter in this mold. So I put it in the idli mold, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to pressure cook this idli. And for the if you are cooking the idli in the pressure cooker, don't put the whistle. So yeah, so we have to cook this idli for 10 to 15 minutes. My idli will be ready. Then after that we have to make podi idli. So for podi idli, here I have that podi. So this is the gunpowder, and I'm going to add this one in this big vessel. So this is very easy and tasty recipe, guys. We need this much of podi because we are making 12 to 15 idlis, and in this I'm going to add the oil, and we have to mix the oil and the podi together. Here I'm going to add some oil, so you can use any oil, guys. And we have to mix this podi and the oil together. You see, guys, this much of oil and podi required for 15 to 16 idlis. So yeah, so podi is ready, and idli will be ready in another 10 minutes. For tempering, here I took a big pan, and here I added 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. In this, I'm going to add the mustard seeds. So here I am adding the mustard seeds, and when the mustard seeds started spluttering, we have to add the fresh curry leaves, which gives a nice taste in the podi idli. Here my idli is getting ready. This is very soft, guys, very soft idli. And in this, I am adding the fresh curry leaves. So I added the fresh curry leaves, and in this again I am going to add 2 to 3 tablespoons of gunpowder. Here I added 2 to 3 tablespoons of gunpowder, and when it becomes cooled down, we have to add the idli in this, and we have to add that podi mixture into this. So yeah, I will show you guys. So here I removed the 4 idlis, guys. So this is very soft. What I'm going to do, I'm going to add this idli in this pan. And we have to mix these things together. So after mixing that idli in the pan with the mustard seeds and little bit podi, I am going to add this idli in this. We have to dip this one like this. So can you see? It will look like this. And here I am very hot, guys, so we have to be careful. The idli is very hot. So I'm making all the idlis like this. So first I prepared the 4 idlis. Later I will prepare all the idlis like this. So, yeah. So it looks like this, and I'm going to put this one in the serving plate. I prepared this idli later, guys. So yeah. So here I prepared all the idlis. I applied podi in all the idlis. So yeah. So this is a quick video of how to make a hotel podi idli at your home. See you soon in another cooking video. If you like this video, please hit the like button And please subscribe to my channel and please share this recipe with your friends and families. See you soon in my another cooking video. Thanks for watching. Bye. And I will show you guys how soft the idli is. Can you see? It's very soft. Bye.